As the sun rises over the famous Johannesburg skyline, teams of our Burgess plumbers are getting ready to start their day. They know that a happy plumber makes a happy customer. They also know that customers only call plumbers that are within their areas and make sure that they are situated all over the city, from the east, the west, the south and the north, as well as Pretoria. Their clients await. Our clients await. Our head office begins to shake with excitement at the prospects of a new day, a new client, a new challenge within the plumbing world. Who knows? Maybe today will be the day of perfect customer satisfaction, the same as yesterday and the day before. Let's go back in time for a moment. In 1978, Chris Burgess founded his company.
We started the business from the garage in the back of my dad's house. We spent the next 40 years building a brand that people know and trust. We've been blessed to partner with the Mtambo family. William Mtambo and his son Mzwake have been a wonderful addition to the Burgess Plumbing family.
With a business that's got 40 years of trading, it's quite an achievement, and we've learned that investing in people is the best thing to be doing.
And today, over 40 years later, Burgess Plumbing is the South African national leader in plumbing maintenance services and water solutions. As our plumbers prepare to go out to their jobs from different satellite offices around Gauteng, many things have been instilled in them by the Burgess heritage. Our commitment to the plumbing industry and our standards of service. We maintain our value, integrity, honesty and trust within our company to our staff, our stakeholders, and most importantly, our customers. With this always in the back of our plumbers' minds, they are able to tackle any plumbing situation, be it big or small, with the utmost amount of care, honesty, and integrity. Whilst the plumbers are out on the job, our call center, training center, and head office is buzzing with phone calls, meetings, sales, classes, and training. We at Burgess Plumbing have built and will continue to build and improve on our specialist services, respect, and recognition. Our goal is to maintain our brand that the industry and the greater public know so well.
I'm Daryl Brainan. I've been in the company for 31 years. I handle specialised projects more in the renewable and green energy sector, where we're assisting clients with helping save water, be more energy efficient, and to run their buildings at its optimum.
We are able to deliver on projects both big and small and offer a specialised service that clients keep coming back for and they enjoy working with us.
Our people are core to the growth of our business. We strive to create the togetherness of our team with care as a focus. We do this by finding the right people, treasuring them, nurturing them, and harnessing their skills. There is one major trait that sets Burgess Plumbing apart from the rest.
Family.
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 It just means family to me.
It means family.
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 Family?
Family orientated.
One big, happy family.
That goes to our internal customers, our staff, our external customers, most importantly, our manufacturers and our suppliers. And we have such a wonderful relationship with them. They're all like part of our family.
And like every other day, as the sun sets on the famous Johannesburg skyline, there is a calm amongst our plumbers and, most importantly, our clients. Because as the dawn of the new day arrives, we can guarantee that Burgess Plumbing will be there for you. Burgess Plumbing. Experience the difference.